Unti-unti na raw nananaig sa bansa ang kultura ng karahasan at pagkamuhi sa bansa. Ayon sa Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, isa raw sa patunay nito ang nangyaring pambobomba sa isang sagradong simbahan, ang Our Lady of Mount Carmel Cathedral sa Jolo, Sulu.
The recent bombing of the Cathedral of Jolo, where scores of people were killed and several more were injured, is a further evidence to the cycle of hate that is destroying the moral fabric of our country.
Batid daw nilang sa mga panahong ito, marami ang nangangailangan ng gabay. Kaya sa pastoral letter na inilabas ng CBCP, humingi ng paumanhin ng mga obispo sa kanilang pananahimik sa gitna ng iba't ibang issue.
Forgive us for the length of time that it took us to find our collective voice. We too needed to be guided properly in prayer and discernment before we could guide you.
Iginagalang daw ng mga obispo ang freedom of expression at opinyon ng ilan nating kababayan tungkol sa pananampalataya. Pero wala raw karapatan ng sino man namang insulto ng ibang relihiyon.
The freedom of expression does not include a license to insult other people's faith, especially our core beliefs. We know that this cuts deeply into the souls of our people, especially the poor, because faith is the only thing they have to hold on to.
Nilinaw din ng CBCP, suportado nila ang kampanya kontra droga ng pamahalaan. Pero
it was when we started hearing of mostly poor people being brutally murdered on mere suspicion of being small-time drug users and peddlers, while the big-time smugglers and drug lords went scot-free, that we started wondering about the direction this drug war was taking.
wala rin daw silang intensyon na makialam sa gobyerno. Pero nakiusap ang CBCP sa mga mambabatas na pag-isipan ulit ang panukalang ibaba ang age of criminal responsibility sa mga minor de edad.
There is no way we can call ourselves a civilized society if we hold children in conflict with the law criminally liable.
Dano Tengkongko, GMA News.